Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Shift Architect tutorial how to wall hatching. So for example, I will create walls with these wall tools. And the next, if you want to set hatchings into these walls, you can click wall tools again and then choose the wall hatching. You can select the wall object to apply the hatching. Click yes. And if you want to change for the hatching patterns, you can double click on the wall. And then will be show for the wall hatching specification. As default, will be set into this option. And you can set like into another in the fill styles, hatch. And then I will use the solid with the black color. You can click here to change the color. Click OK to apply. So it will be set into the black color. I will hatch again in this wall. You can double click to edit the hatching type pattern. I will set into this option and click OK to apply. Okay, that's it for basic Shift Architect tutorial how to wall hatching. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.